Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to upload files to your web app using Streamlit framework. So first of all, let me run this application, new terminal, okay, streamlit man.py, hit enter, and this will open a new local host. Okay, so this is my web application, and first of all, I think that I need to clean this web application. So let's remove some stuff. Okay, let's remove these lines. Okay, this audio image, these data frames. Okay, just save it, and let's refresh it. And how it is looking now? Okay, so I think it's little bit cleaner. Okay, but let's remove everything. Okay, but just leave the title. Okay, and inside the title I will say uh, uploading uploading files files. Okay, and then I will set a markdown st.mrk markdown, and I will draw here a line. Okay, just draw a line here, save it, refresh it. Okay, so uploading files, and this is my line. Okay, and now let's upload some files. So for example, if I want to upload the images to my this web application, and I need to display those images as well. Okay, so first of all I need to upload it, so just write here st.file uploader. Okay, and then inside file uploader we can pass different types of properties. Okay, so as you can see here, first of all we will have a label. Okay, and in this case my label will be like please upload upload and image please upload an image. Okay, and then we need to define the type. Okay, and in this case the type basically represents the extension of our file to avoid any type of errors. Okay, and in this case as you can see here, our type can be a string. Okay, or it can be a list of string. Okay, like for example, when it comes to uploading images, an image extension can be .png, or its extension can be jpeg or jpeg. Okay, so it totally depends upon the type of the image or the extension of the image. So we need to pass here the list of all those possible extensions. Okay, so let's create a list. Okay, and first of all the possible extension is this png, then we will have jpg. Okay, and I think it's enough. Okay, so you can research for different images extension, and I'll pass them all of these extensions as a list here. Okay, and now I will save my this image in this image variable. Okay, and first of all I will check that if my this image is not annoying none. Okay, so first of all I will check if it is not none, and if it is really not none, then I need to display my that image. So I will write here st.image. Okay, and then I will pass my image here as well. Okay, and let's save it, and let's rerun this application. Okay, so please upload an image. This is our title. Okay, this thing, and then we need to you can actually drag or drop file here, or you can browse files. So I will browse my files. Okay, click on this, and here just go to the directory where you have your images. Okay, and as you can see, I am in documents, Python projects, and then in Streamlit development folder, and let's select this mountain. Okay, and as you can see the extension of my this mountain, if I go to the properties, and I think in details it should be okay. So here you can see that the file name is mountain.jpeg, so it's a jpeg version. Okay, and let's cancel it, and let's select it, and just open it. Okay, and this will open this image. As you can see here, we have the image, and now it is displaying our image as well. Okay, so this line is basically responsible for this uploader. Okay, and while this section is responsible for displaying our image. Okay, and you can even remove the image as well. So if I remove this image, what are you expecting? Will this image remain on our web app, or this Streamlit will remove it? So let's see. Let's remove it, and yeah, our image has gone. Okay, so this is how you can upload images. For example, if I want to upload my this video.mp3, I just need to type the extensions, my possible extensions here, and my possible extension in case of videos is this mp4. Okay, but it's a single extension, so I just need to remove these square brackets. Okay, just save it now, and let's rerun it. And here, please upload an image. So it's not an image, it is basically representing a video now. Okay, and just click on this browse files. Okay, and as you can see now, it is omitting my images. Okay, and it is just displaying only those contents having .mp4 extension. Okay, so just select this video, open it, and this will open. Okay, so we got an error, and this is because now we are actually embedding a video with this image function. So just replace this image with the video, video. Okay, just save it, and let's rerun it. Browse. Okay, video, open. Okay, and yeah, this is our video. You can play it, you can play with this video. Okay, and if I again remove it, yeah, our video has gone. Okay, so this is how you can upload files, different types of files. So you can even upload multiple files as well, like for example, if I want to upload multiple images, then here you just need to make one property to true, and that is accept multiple files. Okay, and it's a boolean and the default value is false, so we will make it true in order to upload multiple files, or in order to select multiple files and then upload multiple files. Okay, so just right here, accept accept multiple files is equals to tru true. Just save it, and let me change this video to image again. Okay, image, save it now. Okay, and now here we will select multiple files, so I will save all of my files inside images. Okay, and then I will first check that if my images is not empty or it is not none. Okay, and then I need to loop through each image. Okay, so I will write for image in images images. Okay, and then I will display my image here. Okay, save it, and now let's rerun it and browse files. Okay, oh sorry, we need to change the extension, the type. Okay, and again I will pass a list here. Okay, and that will be png. Okay, and then jpg jpg. Okay, jpg, sorry. Just save it, and let's rerun this application. Select. Okay, and now I can select multiple files. So image1, hold control, or I think command key on Mac. Okay, and then select this mountain. Okay, and as you can see, we have selected 2 items, and now then click on this open. Okay, and this will open our 2 files, and as you can see, this is my image1 and this is my image2. Okay, so this is how you can upload multiple files to your web application using Streamlit file uploader function. So I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will see something new. Till that point, bye bye.